are the first steps when trying to reach policymakers to inform their decisions? How do you translate research published in a science journal into actual policy?
Well, I think there are 3 Ps. The first one is plausibility. Politicians and policymakers, they have to see that it's plausible. If it doesn't seem to make sense, there's no point in going on. So you present a vision of why what you're saying is plausible about the world out there. The second thing is it practical? And that means, what are the next steps that you can take? If it's so visionary that you can't do anything, that's not of interest to policymakers, because they've got to talk about what happens now. So you've got to be able to think about the next steps when you're coming up with a piece of writing that is policy oriented. And the third thing is proof. Now, you might say for a science journal that you've got to have the proof first. It's not what the policymakers are looking for. If you haven't got the plausibility and the practicality lined up, there's no point in going to the proof. But if you have, and they know then that their reputations are at stake, then you need to bring proof. And the proof is what the science is all about. So we need to do plausible, practical, and proof-based papers.
Sustainability is a global issue that involves everyone, not just scientists and policymakers. So how would you include the general public in what Sustainable Earth is doing?
Well, I think the way to communicate with the general public on this is that we will be bold and beautiful. We'll be bold because of the topics we take on. They'll be hard, complex, difficult things that you hear vaguely about, but you need to know more on. And beautiful because it will present it simply and effectively and with a style and creativity. So we need to have films and figures that can communicate well. So bold and beautiful.